Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful videos, very charming designs of this video. It's all about the gardens designs, border gardens ideas are also sharing with you. Are also sharing with newly videos in a newly design. Are also most demanding videos and different types of ideas, different amazing, different beautiful and charming design, and different types of ideas, different beautiful, different attractive and decent ideas. You are looking very attractive in elegance videos. Hope so I really share with newly videos in a newly charming looks. And different types of videos are also shared newly videos in a newly designs. Are also sharing most attractive videos in a different types of videos. Always be sharing most attractive videos in different types of ideas in different types of videos. Are always be sharing most attractive and demanding designs and different types of videos. You will be amazing, you will be perfectly in different types of ideas. Are also sharing most attractive designs. Always be sharing most elegant videos. Take care. I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing most attractive and demanding videos in a demanding designs. You looking very attractive, very beautiful, charming designs. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic videos in a fantastic designs. You're looking very amazing, you're looking very gorgeous in a different types of videos, different types of ideas. Are you liking these attractive videos? Are these more attractive designs? So take care, bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.